go. I was thinking how I want to replace this with a metal handle. We'll let that cook for a couple hours. You know, there's a common myth amongst metal workers that files should only be used in one direction. Turns out that's not true. Works a whole lot better if you do it in both directions. If you want to know if they're done, you squeeze the end. And if the meat's pulled off the end of the bone, then you know they're done. And this one is done. This is from the moose I shot this fall. Oh, that was good.